How to make money at home without working, the dead simple way. In this video I'm going to tell you how to get started making free money at home, without working. In a couple minutes I'm going to show you how to do this on the cheap. But first, let's look at the opportunity in front of you. Normally you only make money by working for it, by selling a product or service, or by investing, where your money works for you. This is none of those. My goal, in the next few videos, is to show you exactly what you need to know to make this work for you. That means precisely what the opportunity is, how you can get started as soon as possible, how it works to pay you month after month with no work on your part, and I do mean no work. How you can make even more money, or how, with a little work, you can make this a side business. Let's look a little closer. There's a new network being built that's like the Internet. This network is for smart sensors and devices, and it's called the Internet of Things, or IoT. Your opportunity is to help build this network, but not by working on it, not by selling it, and not by investing in it. IoT devices can be connected with Wi-Fi, or they can be connected automatically through the Internet of Things where they work and communicate with each other through the IoT on autopilot. Business Insider says IoT revenues were greater than $200 billion in 2020 and expects worldwide growth to more than $3 trillion in the next 5 years, with as many as 80 billion devices in operation. If you are trying to catch a wave of IoT devices to surf right now is the time just before you stand up on your board to take off. Right now, there are more IoT devices than there are people in the world, but it's only getting started. Besides household appliances, IoT devices include smart home security systems, wireless lighting systems, health monitors, irrigation sensors, wireless inventory trackers, and dog or cat trackers. A few years ago, Helium Network began building out the IoT network. Your opportunity is to help Helium build out this network by hosting a hotspot. When you do, you get paid. It's like in the early days when the cell phone network was being built. Verizon and Sprint needed property owners to cooperate so they could install cell towers on their property. They paid him a lifetime income to use their property. But only a few people got those deals. And when they were gone, they were gone. There's a similar opportunity right now with the Helium Hotspot, but it doesn't require you to have a cell tower constructed on your property. Just put one of these small boxes next to a window in your home, apartment or workplace. It sends out a safe radio signal between surrounding IoT devices and hotspots. Just for hosting this hotspot you earn Helium tokens. Helium tokens, or HNT, is a cryptocurrency that can easily be exchanged for dollars or other currencies. Depending on their location, many people earn between $100 and $2,000 per month just for having these hotspots in their homes or workplaces. There are a couple downsides you should know about. First, the demand is very high right now and chip manufacturers are behind in their deliveries, so it may take 2 months or longer to get a hotspot after you order it. Second, there's a limit to the number of hotspots that will work best in an area, so it's important to get your hotspot locked into your location before your neighbors. The third downside is that these hotspot devices normally cost $400 and up. If you can find one. But, if you order through my website I can get you a much better deal. I will sponsor you and advise you on how to increase the amount your hotspot pays out to you each month. Are you ready to get started? In the next video I'll tell you how. If you can't wait, you can get started right away by clicking the link in the description or the first one you see in the comments below. If you're getting value from this video, please like and subscribe to my channel to get the latest information about making a passive income with your hotspot.